Today I will show you how you can get paid in Bitcoin just by watching videos online, and also there's a lot of cryptocurrency in this site. This website has a very unique features that I will show to you later on. And before we proceed, I would appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so that you won't miss out any of my future videos. So, the website is ES-Faucet, that would be es.btcnewsy.com. Link is in the description down below. So, when we scroll down in here we will see the About section, and as you can see ES-Faucet is a multi-crypto faucet in which you decide how often to claim, meaning you can log in from time to time and collect your Bitcoin earnings. This site has other cryptocurrency, so no worries if you are not a fan of Bitcoin, so stick with me until the end of this video so you won't miss out any important details. This site is also available on Android user, and will soon be available on iOS. So, the main reason we are connecting to this website is to use their miner. As you can see, you can use our crypto miner to mine crypto in the background while you do nothing. We utilized an algorithm that will get you the highest hash power, even on low threads, just so you can mine on any device with excellent hash power. This is very important information, so, using your phone you can get the same result with a PC or laptop. So, I want you to watch this video till the end, and I will show you how you can make money with miner passively. And also, as previously mentioned, Bitcoin is not the only cryptocurrency available on this site. There's a bunch in here, and you can choose what you want. So, now what you need to do is to sign up by clicking the sign up button in here. You will enter any username you like, your email address, set a password, confirm your password, and then tick this box that you accept the terms, click I'm not a robot, then hit register. So, once done, this is how your dashboard looks like. You will see ES-Faucet news, and you can read more about this new ways to earn. And when you scroll a little bit you can see your level here. The more often you redeem, the quicker you will level up. If you scroll down you will see available cryptocurrency. Other cryptocurrency will be available once you level up. Here at the left side, you will see Earn section. So these are the ways you can earn money here: faucets, paid to click, videos, offers, miner, and bonuses. So when we click faucets, it will show you list of cryptocurrencies. So let's click this Bitcoin as an example. You will be brought to this page, and here you will see the Bitcoin balance. To claim this, all you have to do is scroll down and click this, and you will be brought to a page showing you how much Bitcoin you had claimed. So, you can do the same to other cryptocurrency here. So, now to maximize our result, we can check other task here. So let's check this paid to click. You will be brought to this page, and you can see you will view ads by clicking this view site, and right here this will be your payment. So, let's check this videos. So this is a video advertisements. We will get paid by viewing videos by clicking this watch video here, and then this will be your payment right here. So, now let's go to miner. The miner will make you money passively, so I want you to focus on this. So this is the best task in here. Click this miner, and we will be brought to this page. All you have to do is click this start button here, and it will start earning you money. This will not impact your device performance, and is doable on your Android devices as well. Now, how do we collect our earnings? On your dashboard, click My Account, and click Withdraw, then it will show you Crypto Collector. So as an example we use Bitcoin, click Show Details. Transaction fees depends on wallet you have. I highly suggest Coinbase, because you will not pay any transaction fees like this 3 wallets here. And if you don't have an account with Coinbase, you can sign up for free. Link is in the description down below. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you appreciated this video. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. As always, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.